Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. First of all, I want to give a special birthday shout out to our winter birthday queen, and that is the lovely Courtney over at Amethyst Adventures. Also, the other members of our group or of our collaboration group and the other birthday queens are Glam Elegant Living, that's our founder, Lady Allie, at Penny's Place, the Rodgers House, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Creations by Simone, Interior Styles by Dawn, Tabletop with Robin, Design to a T, and myself, I am Tablescapes by Candy. Now you may know my other channel, which is DIY and Design by CCW, as well as the Glam Decor channel. Now again, please go and wish all of the ladies, or go and visit all of the ladies' channels. I've left links down in the description box, but make sure you wish the lovely Courtney, she's our winter birthday queen over at Amethyst Adventures. Make sure you wish her a happy birthday. Now, if you're not a member of this channel, Tablescapes by Candy, I hope that you'll decide to subscribe today. And again, please go over and visit my other channels, and that is DIY Design by CCW, as I said, and also the Glam Decor channel. So that's all I have for you today, guys. And like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.